Families in conflict often come into the room carrying years of tension, frustration, and misunderstanding. It's easy to assume that big problems need big solutions. But in solution-focused therapy, we focus on something else: micro moments of change. A micro moment might be a pause before reacting, a shift in tone, a glance of acknowledgement, a shared laugh after weeks of silence. These moments might feel small, but they matter. Because in families, transformation often starts not with dramatic breakthroughs, but with quiet shifts. SFT doesn't try to resolve every issue in one session. Instead, we look for openings. We invite family members to notice what's already working, even slightly. We might begin with a question like, when was a recent moment that felt just a little better? Or, what tells you there's still some connection in this family? We listen for exceptions, times when conflict wasn't as intense. When someone chose to stay calm, offer support, or stay in the room when they could have walked out. Then we reflect it back. That sounds like a moment of strength. You didn't give up on each other. That matters. We also use scaling to understand relationship dynamics. On a scale from 0 to 10, how supported do you feel in this family right now? What's something that would move it half a point up? Every voice gets heard. We ensure that each family member gets to name what they want to be different and what gives them hope. We might ask, if things were better, how would this home feel? What would we see in the way you talk to each other? What would respect look like in this family? These future-focused questions help families imagine something new together. Even if they disagree on the past, they can often agree on what they want next. Sometimes we use simple visuals, like drawing a circle of what's working and what each person brings to the table. Other times, we guide family members in sharing compliments. What's something someone here has done recently that helped, even if it went unnoticed? These moments soften tension. They reintroduce warmth, possibility, and shared purpose. In conflict-heavy homes, change can feel impossible. But micro moments remind people, you've already started. You've already made choices that matter. Our job isn't to solve the family's history. It's to amplify what's working now and help them do more of it. Because healing doesn't always happen in a breakthrough. Sometimes it's a small kindness, a word spoken differently, a silence that feels safe. These are the building blocks of change. So when working with families in conflict, don't look for perfection. Look for movement, moments of grace, and signs of life that say, we're still in this. We still care. We're ready to try, together.